Hello everyone, myself Bhumit from collegedunia.com. Today I am at Gujarat Power Engineering and Research Institute, which is located in Mehsana, Gujarat. Today we are having with Professor Rajesh Patel sir. He is a head of department of computer engineering department in Gujarat Power and Engineering and Research Institute. Hello sir, welcome to our education portal College Dunia. Hello sir. So sir, starting with the questionnaire session sir, my first question to you is, being the HOD of Gujarat Power Engineering and Research Institute in Computer Engineering Department, what are your roles and responsibility toward the students?
Yes. So, being a head of computer department, I am looking that my student can take a maximum benefit from the department. Whatever resources we are having, whatever faculty strength we are having, our student can get a benefit of that. So being a head, my responsibility is the teaching learning process in department, it should go smoothly. Student, they do not suffer any problem in their study. And also, they can compete with the advanced technology. So that is my responsibility towards the students.
Very nicely explained about the question, sir.
Thank you.
So coming to the next question, what are the best practices offered by the department to the students which help them gain necessary skills?
At computer department, besides our normal teaching learning process, we organize seminar, workshop, industrial visit, so that our student they know where the industry is moving. They can compete with the industry. So these are the best practices we are doing at the department.
Very nicely explained, sir. So on that note, my next question to you is, how do you help your students to cope up with competitive being so high in the outside world?
Our student, they learn the curriculum, that is fine. But besides that, as I said that we organize a technical competition at our institute level. Also, we motivate our students to participate at the GTU level, at the other university level. And before they participate at the college level, we organize small competition. We train them, okay, so that they can perform excellent at university or at the outside world.
Very nicely explained, sir. So coming to the next question, how does the curriculum of your department ensure the best practice of industry?
The curriculum is actually offered by the GTU, but this syllabus is very advanced. In computer department, they have introduced very advanced subjects. So these subjects, if students they learn these subjects very well, definitely they can cope up with the industry or whatever the demand of industry. So syllabus is nicely designed. Also, they more focus on the practical part. So at department, we are having all resources related to advanced courses. So our student, they can easily learn this course and they can easily get the job at the in an industry.
Very nicely explained about the department curriculum, sir. So coming to the next question, what do you see as computer engineering department's greatest strength and how it can be enhanced?
The computer department of GPRI is having well-experienced faculty members, well-qualified qualified faculty members. Also, we are having advanced laboratories. We are having advanced computer systems, internet facility at the department, and good resources so that our student can benefit from that. This is our strength.
Very nicely explained, sir. So on that note, my next question is, do you have any extracurricular activity or program to enhance the skill of students or expose them to the real world challenges?
Yes, at the department level and at the institute level, we organize many technical events, also technical competitions. Besides that, at the department level, our student, they do their projects and in that they learn new technologies. Also, we are having a center of Siemens, so where they can do their projects, advanced project. So in that way, our students can go ahead.
Very well said, sir. So, jumping to the last question, any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students? Any suggestions, sir?
Yes. My message to the youth is every youngster or everyone has to work hard in their life. Without hard work, they cannot achieve anything. So, wherever you, at whatever stage you are, you should work hard so that definitely you will get a success in your life. So, this is my message.
Very well said, sir. So, sir, thank you so much for giving such informative information about your computer engineering department in Gujarat Power Engineering and Research Institute, sir. Thank you, sir, for being a part of College Genius, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.